In the aftermath of World War II, Europe lay in ruins. Could a plan from America help rebuild not just countries, but entire economies? Today, we explore the Marshall Plan. Launched in 1948 under President Harry S. Truman, the European Recovery Program, known as the Marshall Plan, aimed to revitalize Western Europe's economy post-war through American financial aid. The United States transferred $13.3 billion, equivalent to over $137 billion in today's dollars, to Western European economies, primarily targeting major industrial nations like the UK and France. The Marshall Plan sought not just economic recovery, but also the integration of European states economically to prevent future conflicts, aiming for a modernized industry and improved productivity across Europe. Despite its ambitious goals, the aid only accounted for about 3% of recipient nations' combined national income between 1948 and 1951, indicating a more nuanced impact on overall economic growth. The plan's success is debated. It did foster industrialization and investment, but also faced skepticism from some American businesses wary of foreign competition. In summary, the Marshall Plan was a critical intervention that reshaped post-war Europe and set the stage for decades of economic cooperation and strategic alliances in the West. So there you have it, the Marshall Plan's pivotal role in post-war reconstruction. How do you think such a plan could be implemented today? Share your thoughts below.